Hey guys, we're back with some world-leading crushing technology, the QH series by Sandvik. The QH series are the most robust mobile cone crushers, perfect for ore quarrying and mining applications. Fitted with a Sandvik CH430 or CH440 cone crusher, the QH series comes with a choice of 6 different crushing chambers and various bush settings, making it one of the most flexible cone crusher ranges in the market today. The Hydro Cone Crusher's main shaft is supported from both top and bottom to ensure extra strength and reliability, with no crusher backing required. The QH series run an emissions-compliant engine for powerful, cost-efficient performance. You've got several ground-level drainage points, as well as easy access to the engine for maintenance and repairs. Capable of operating in the most hostile environments, the QH range is fully compliant with the latest machinery directives and is designed for optimum fuel economy, keeping your operating costs down. The fully automated variable speed feed conveyor features a metal detector to provide optimum feed and control detection. You've got a camera overseeing the crushing chamber, allowing the operator full visibility of the feed material, and a level sensor above the chamber which automatically controls the feed, ensuring continuous, uninterrupted crushing. The main conveyor features a wide belt as well as dust suppression spray bars and canvas coverings fitted as standard. The QH series boasts a heavy-duty fabricated chassis on a tracked frame. The 20-inch tracks are driven by umbilical control or radio remote control. The highly efficient hydraulic and electrical system provides precise system control. The full colour PLC screen has a simple operator interface, ensuring optimal usability and easy access to vital real-time data. The QH series gives you peace of mind with its various factory warranty options available. Porter Equipment is the exclusive distributor of Sandvik for 18 countries across Oceania, including Australia and New Zealand. So, if you think the QH series sounds like a good fit for your crushing needs, get in touch with Porter Equipment today and we'll make sure you get to see for yourself just how much this machine has to offer.